We guide you through how to delete a Gmail account permanently and safely. First thing you need to do is sign in to your Google account using a web browser. Then, go to Google account settings. From there, open Data and Privacy and scroll down to download or delete your data. Select Delete a Google service, then choose Gmail from the list. Google will ask you to verify your identity and provide a non-Gmail email address to receive confirmation messages. Review the information carefully, confirm your choice, and submit the request. Once completed, your Gmail service will be deleted, while your Google account itself may remain active unless you choose to delete it entirely. Make sure to back up important emails before deleting, since this action is permanent and cannot be undone.